Tada! Oh wait! Let's start at the beginning. 3 days ago, to be precise, in Croatia's Velebit National Park, we set off as a group from the Zavižan starting line with the Highlander Adventure organization, mostly as individuals. But very quickly we started to coalesce into small groups of new friends. We shared meals at checkpoints. We shared campsites. We shared coffee. Some walked casually, and some walked quickly. Yet at mealtimes, we regrouped spontaneously. Sure, maybe the free beer helped reunite our spirits. And when technical assistance was needed, it was offered freely. Even if not that practical. Barbara's morning yoga school helped us start each day loose and in pain. Refueling stops always help. By the third day, we were all good friends and part of the same Highlander clan.